Hinikayat ng bagong consul ng Philippine Embassy ang mga Pinoy civil engineers na mag-invest at paghandaan ang pag-uwi nila sa Pilipinas. Mula Muscat, may balitang global, si Rowan Soldevilla.
Bagong pag-asa sa bagong taon ang hatid ng bagong konsul ng Philippine Embassy para sa mga bagong hirang ng mga opisyal ng Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers o PICE. Hinikayat ni Second Secretary Arvic Arevalo ang grupo na paghandaan ng pag-uwi nila kung sakaling umuwi sila ng Pilipinas.
There are opportunities in the stock market and other instruments, in SMEs, in startups, in real estate, in franchising. You should just have to take the time to think, plan, and map your own project, for that is your future.
Ito anya ang tamang panahon na planuhin ng mga Pinoy na mag-invest sa Pilipinas dahil sumisigla ang ekonomiya ng bansa.
Our economy is growing at 6% and it's still one of the fastest in Asia, ranking number 3, only behind China and Vietnam. Now, our economic fundamentals have remained strong.
Dahil sa namumuong tensyon sa Saudi Arabia at Iran, mas lalong dapat paghandaan ng mga OFW sa gitnang silangan ang ibang alternatibo para kumita. Para naman matiyak na globally competitive ang Pinoy civil engineers, patuloy na magbibigay ng professional advancement sa kanilang miyembro ang PICE.
We should focus more on our CPD programs as it will be an additional tool for us, while bearing in mind that the third and the final reading of the CPD bill authored by Senator Trillanes has been finalized in the Senate and most probably be signed by our President soon.
And with the continued support of the PICE National, we at PICE Oman Chapter will exert our effort to help our fellow PICE members who are not able to take the board exam for a long period of time.
Para sa PICE, ang pagtitiyak ng magandang buhay ay nakasalalay sa maagap na paghahanda sa inaharap. Rowan Soldevilla, ABS-CBN News, Muscat, Oman.